Running an eye care clinic is no small task. Phones ringing, staff juggling schedules, patients waiting. But what if your website could do the heavy lifting? One Team's Eye Care AI Kit is built to turn traffic into bookings. It starts with smart SEO, so when someone searches red eye treatment, your clinic shows up. Then AI takes over, guiding patients, checking symptoms, and scheduling appointments 24/7. Everything syncs automatically from calendars to confirmations. The result? Fewer calls. Happier patients, less pressure on your staff. Clinics using One Team are seeing higher conversions, more efficient operations, and better patient satisfaction. This isn't the future, it's happening now. If your website isn't working this hard, it's time to change that. Contact us at hello@oneteam.us or call 248-250-9200. Let's build your smarter AI-powered clinic.